Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin while hair is just damp. This gives hold without frizz. Take 2 to 4 comb clips and pick sizes that match your density. Section a narrow strip at the crown, about 1/2 inch, and secure it to the back because that creates a base. Once done, sweep remaining hair toward the sides and keep a mirror handy. Make sure to check tension. Clips should grip but not pull. This setup lets you add shape quickly and keeps short layers in place as you work. Now you position each comb clip where you want volume and hold. Insert the teeth perpendicular to the way hair grows. This gives lift and prevents slipping. If you need extra support, tease roots at the clip point with a fine-tooth comb, just a few light strokes, because that creates grip without damage. Angle clips slightly toward the crown to shape overall silhouette and smooth outer layers over them. Once clips feel stable, run your fingers through the cut to confirm natural movement. To finish, smooth the outer layers over the clips and tuck any short, stubborn strands inside the teeth so the shape reads clean. Use a light mist of hairspray or styling lotion to lock the look. Heavy products weigh short hair down, so use sparingly. Once done, check movement by turning your head. Look for gaps or slipping. If a clip slides, re-tease that small section or loop a tiny elastic around the base and clip over it. This quick fix restores grip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.